Okay, this is for 2004 Lexus gs300. Need to replace the actuator for the driver size door. And in order to be able to take out the actuator, you don't have to take out the speaker, and you just take out this and take out this one and unplug this one to electric outlet, and it's better to take out the door nut right here, this one. So you have to take those out. They have 4 screws. 1, 2, 3, 4. And then take this out and this out. And then here you are. It took me forever to figure it out, how to take it out. So once you take it out, it would be separate like this. And so you open like this way and this way. So here, you just pull it like this way and pull it. Alright, only got one hand, it's not easy to take out. Anyway, so once you take this out, then you will be able to replace the new actuator, and also have to unscrew the screw right here. 1, 2. I think so. Yeah. Alright, so good luck. I'm going to fix mine. Alright, bye bye.